If VLC is showing an error opening your file, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is a common issue, and it can happen because the file path is too long, the file is partially corrupted, VLC needs administrator permission, or your VLC settings just need a quick reset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it and get your video playing again. And if this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is shortening the file path and renaming the file. A lot of times, VLC has trouble opening files when they're buried too deep in folders or when the file name is very long or full of special characters. So start by moving the video file directly to your desktop. That makes the path much shorter and easier for VLC to read. Next, rename the file and, if needed, the folder it came from to something simple and clean, like video.mp4. Keep the name short and avoid unusual symbols. Once that's done, try opening the file again in VLC and see if the error is gone. If the file still won't open, the next thing to check is whether the video itself is damaged or incomplete. Sometimes the problem is not VLC at all, but the actual file. To test this, try opening the same video in another media player, such as Windows Media Player on Windows or QuickTime on Mac. If the video plays there, then the file is probably fine and the issue is more likely with VLC. If it doesn't play anywhere, then the file may be corrupted or not fully downloaded. In that case, you may need to re-download or recopy the video before trying again. Now let's use VLC's built-in repair approach. Open VLC, then go up to the Media menu and click Convert/Save. In the File selection window, add the video that is giving you the error. After selecting it, click Convert/Save again. On the next screen, choose the profile Video H.264 plus MP3 MP4. This converts the file into a standard format that VLC handles very well. Then select a destination folder where you want the repaired or converted file to be saved. Make sure the output name is simple and easy to find, then click Start. VLC will begin processing the file, and once it finishes, try opening the new converted version instead of the original. If you're still seeing the error, another useful fix is to run VLC as an administrator. This is especially helpful on Windows when VLC doesn't have full permission to access certain files or folders. To do this, find the VLC shortcut or the VLC.exe file on your computer. Right-click it, then choose Run as Administrator. If a permissions prompt appears, allow it. Now try opening the video again. Sometimes that extra permission is all VLC needs to launch the file successfully. If none of those steps worked, the next fix is to reset VLC preferences. Over time, settings can become corrupted or changed in a way that causes playback problems. To reset them, open VLC, then go to Tools and click Preferences, or simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. At the bottom left of the Preferences window, you'll see the Reset Preferences button. Click it, then confirm the reset. This will restore VLC to its default settings and can fix issues caused by a bad configuration. After that, close VLC, reopen it, and try playing the file again. So to quickly recap, if VLC shows an error opening a file, first shorten the file path and rename the file. Then test the file in another player to check for corruption. Use VLC's Convert/Save option to reprocess the video. Run VLC as administrator, and finally, reset VLC preferences if needed. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.